Hi, my name is Leslie Cruz. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty, serving the Monterey Bay Area and its surroundings. And I have a brand new listing here in Hollister. It's 1740 Bayberry Street, and I'm super excited. It's a rare single-story ranch-style house, and it's beautiful inside. So let's go check it out. One of my favorite features in this home is the layout. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and it offers beautiful granite countertops, some beautiful recessed lighting. It's also super functional. You have access to 2 dining areas and then also 2 living spaces. So if you're an entertainer, this would be a great kitchen for you. The amenities continue. So if you want to enjoy your outside space, there's a beautiful gazebo that protects you from the light. There's an easy maintenance concrete stamped platform that you can feel free to dance on. And if you see behind me, yep, that's a pizza oven. So enjoy family nights by making some pizza. If you hate carpets, this home's for you. This home has all hardwood floors, plus great amenities. So a water softening system, air conditioning, and then a beautiful fireplace behind me. So what did you guys think? Do you feel like this house is good for you or someone you may know? Please share the video. And as always, si usted está buscando por un agente que habla español, llámame. Sería un placer ayudarte a comprar una casa este año. Bye.